Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing well. We all know that customer is the king, but who is the queen? If customer is the king of the market, then content is the queen of the market. And I tell you, right now different queens from different kingdoms are trying very hard to rule over everyone's heart. In the current scenario, the battle of brands is highly influenced by creative content for customers. And as I discussed in my very first video, the pandemic has changed the entire dynamics of marketing. So, today I'll talk about one of the important dimensions of marketing which is highly influencing the way a brand operates in the business world: content marketing. Let's see what is all there to discuss today. We'll understand about content and content marketing. Then I'll tell you about the one basic rule of content marketing which is very important for everyone. I'll also discuss the benefits of content marketing, and then we'll have a look at some of the important statistics related to content marketing. And in the end, we'll try to understand the differences between advertising and content marketing. So let's start and explore the power of content marketing. But before that, let's understand the basic meaning of content. Content is anything an organization creates and shares to tell its story. In a technical language, content is the presentation of information for a purpose to an audience through a channel in a form. This focuses on five important components: information, purpose, audience, form, and channel. The key to successful communication is effectively identifying as well as optimizing each of the individual components. Content takes many forms, but it only qualifies as content marketing if it aims to drive a profitable customer action. So let's understand the basic meaning of content marketing. It is the process of creating valuable and relevant content to attract, acquire, and engage with the audience. It creates brand awareness and helps in building trust also. In the current scenario, almost every customer has knowledge. They are becoming more aware and they analyze more before making a final purchase decision. So, content marketing not only helps in giving the valuable information to the customers, but it helps them in decision making as well. Now, let's talk about the one basic rule of content marketing, which is very important for every content marketing expert to understand. And that rule is: educate first and sell second. Provide content which will help your customers. When an organization freely gives their audience something very valuable and informative, they are building a connection and trust with their target audience, which is their most powerful selling tool. It helps in increasing the conversion rate. So, better understand that: educate first and sell second. Now, you must be thinking, why content marketing? What are the main benefits? So, let's have a look. The main benefits of content marketing are that it helps in building brand awareness. It helps organizations in creating a preference for their brand amongst their audience. And the third one is better reach, which means organizations can reach out to more buyers at lower costs. So it is very cost effective too. It's just that you have to be highly creative while formulating your content marketing strategies. Now, let's have a look at some of the important statistics related to content marketing. But before moving further, I would like to tell all of you that the website portal from which these statistics have been shortlisted to discuss in this video, its link is mentioned in the description. You can have a look at it if you want to explore more data. Well, these statistics are pretty self explanatory, so let's go one by one. 34% of consumers are more likely to make an unplanned purchase if a brand personalizes content. Wow. 63% of marketers are creating content with buyer persona in mind above all else, and 60% of marketers create at least one piece of content each day. That's great. Compared to traditional marketing programs, content marketing costs 62% less and generates approximately three times the volume of leads. Hmm. So now we can relate why content marketing is so much in trend these days and why every marketer is so passionate about creating content. That's impressive. If content marketing is helping the brands, then what is advertising? Let's understand the differences between advertising and content marketing. Let's understand these differences one by one. In advertising, we talk to customers, but it is a one way communication. A customer cannot directly respond to us in a TV ad or in an advertisement printed in the newspaper. But that's not the case in the content marketing. In content marketing, we actually have a conversation with our customers and it is a complete two-way communication. In advertising, we have generic ads for all age groups, but in content marketing, we can target specific groups. Ads are business driven in advertising, whereas content is easily consumed and shared by consumers. So it is said that content marketing is highly community driven. So I hope the differences and this basic introduction of content marketing is clear. See, always remember that every brand, regardless of what it offers, has to have a content strategy in place to connect with the target audience, nurture the audience, and convert them into end customers. It is quintessential to stay in touch with your audience, as making a sale is not a one time affair, but it is an ongoing process, or else your customers will land up in your competitor's lap. So, I hope you all had a great time while watching my video. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comment box below. Thank you.